Hi guys. So on Sunday, being Easter Sunday, I went to the Dundalk retail park to get a few gadgets. So I saw this gorgeous 3-in-1 sandwich grill and waffle maker machine and or gadget. So I decided to get it. I've been longing to get this sandwich maker for many months, but it hasn't really happened. Then yesterday when I went to the retail park, I entered the home store and more department. So I saw it there and I decided to buy it. It's really a very nice sandwich maker, and I love the color. It's a combo of black and silver or gray color. So it has this bait is the bait that makes the waffle, the tray for the waffle. So it's quite easy to use. It's very straightforward. Once you plug it in, and it will heat up and is ready to go. So it comes with two more pans. This one I'm holding right now is for your grills. If you want to grill anything, just a simple grill. The other one in situ is for waffles, if you want to make waffles. So it's easy to remove. If you press the two buttons there are two buttons, and the top and the bottom there. So it will remove each pan. So there are two pans in total. So that's how to remove the waffle one, and then you just stick in the other pan, and you're good to go. So that is that. And the other tray or pan, I don't know exactly what to call it, this other tray I'm bringing out now is my favorite part. It's for your sandwich. So that's how I love to toast my sandwich. Honestly, I have really missed this toast sandwich. So you fit this one in and you're ready to go, and you can easily make your sandwiches. I will be using it mainly to make my sandwiches, not necessarily for waffles or grill or any other thing. So that was what I had in mind when I purchased it, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Maybe every alternate mornings or 3 times a week, and I'll make my sandwich. So it's a good buy, and I'm so happy I got it. I'm so happy I got it. It's a beautiful small machine, but serving 3 purposes, so delighted. Thanks for watching. See you later.